Number 12, graph the linear inequalities. Y greater than negative 2x plus 4. Notice that this is in slope-intercept form. So we could get our slope and our y-intercept. The slope would be negative 2. To make it a fraction, you put negative 2 over 1. That means you're going to go down 2 and right 1 from the y-intercept of 4. To graph the line, you start off with the y-intercept of 4. Let's put a dot at the 4 on the y-axis. Now then our slope says to go down 2, right 1, down 2, right 1. And we're going to draw a dashed line because there's no equal bar. If it's less than or greater than with no equal bar, such as this, it's going to be a dashed line. So from the y-intercept, we're going to go down 2, right 1, down 2, right 1, and I'm going to do 4 dots. That gives me enough dots to draw my line, and I want a dashed line. So using these 4 dots, I'm going to draw a dashed line through the 4 dots. Very important to get this in slope-intercept form. It says greater. We want y greater than negative 2x plus 4. Greater than on the y-axis is up. So if you have a greater than, you're going to shade up. So we're going to shade this line going up. And I just use diagonal lines here. And all this area up here would be solutions to the inequality. Any point in this shaded area would satisfy the inequality. The line separates the non-answers from the answers. Now let's do the next line. Y is less than or equal to 1/2 x minus 3. Again, this is in slope-intercept form. So you find your slope and your y-intercept. The slope is 1 over 2, which means we will go up 1, right 2, and our y-intercept is negative 3. Start at the y-intercept of negative 3, put a dot at the negative 3, and from that dot we go up 1 over 2. So up 1 over 2, up 1 over 2, up 1 over 2. I have enough dots to draw my line. And it's going to be solid because of the equal bar. This equal bar makes it a solid line. So I'm going to draw a solid line using my dots. It really helps out to have any type of straight edge. I used a playing card. And now then our inequality is less than. Less than means shade down. So we're going to shade from this line going down. This means that any coordinate in the shaded area would work if you plugged it into the inequality. Any coordinate in the unshaded area would not work. So the line separates the non-answers from the answers. Since the line is solid, any dot on the line would make this equation equal, which would satisfy the inequality.